Happy New Year, folks. There we have it. The poor guy is now just a little bit more poor. My Oklahoma Joe's. I've been wanting this thing forever. Dawn bought it for me for Christmas. The price is right. Probably about $200 less than I've seen it over the last year. I've been looking at these for about 3 or 4 years. But I'm a poor guy. I didn't want to spend the money. But I did it. Excuse the shadow. This is our first cook. Doing a pork butt. Why? Because I know how to do pork butts. And I want to start with something I knew. So we're going to get used to this today. Sunday, January 1st, 2023. I'm starting to preheat the Oklahoma Joe's Highland. I bought some Cowboy brand lump charcoal. And we have that in the firebox right now. And I just bought some bags of post oak and hickory chunks. Post oak I've never used. Hickory I use all the time. And we'll be using today Music Logic Pork Star SPG Plus as a base. And the chick and pig rub for an additional layer of flavor. This is what we're starting with. 4:30 a.m. Hang around if you dare. Excuse the shadow. And we'll go through the day and see how things go. Peace. All right, my friends. I just put the pork butt on. It's about 7.5 pounds. There's an early morning car going by. Happy New Year. I don't know if they heard me or not. Pickup truck. About 4:45, just put the pork butt on, and let me show you what we got. There she is. Like I said, about 7.63 pounds. And you'll notice there, look at poor guy. You guys know what that is. Meat Stick X. Look at me. I am something else, huh? Yeah, boy. Sorry about the shadow again. So we're going to try this Meat Stick X. You know, it hooks up to your phone through an app and all that. So I wanted to show you this real quick and close this up. Hopefully not open it up again for quite a few hours. Should be no reason to. All right. Poor guy's happy today. Thanks for watching. Peace. All right, guys, I'll give you a little update. Don and I are about to go grocery shopping for the week. The Oklahoma Joe's Highland has been staying steady right around 200, 215, and I'm okay with that. I just went ahead and added a hunk of hickory wood to the firebox because I want to get that temperature up a little bit before we go. The coal bed is holding steady. Everything is working out fine. Just trying to get used to this different offset smoker. So it's a learning process for me. I have not opened the smoke chamber at all, so I'm going to keep that closed, and we're going to see what the charcoal bed and firebox looks like when we get back. Things are going well. I'm pleased so far. All right, peace out. Okay, update. Back from shopping, about 2 hours, maybe 2.5. Checked the Meat Stick app when I got home, and it was down to about 150 degrees in the smoker, the ambient temperature. So we lost about 75 degrees in 2.5 hours, no maintaining it. So I'm going to get the fire back up and running with some wood chips, some more charcoal, and get that coal base back up and running, and get back to temperature. But overall, not too bad. Over 2.5 hours of not maintaining the fire at all. Pretty pleased. So yeah, there's an update for you. First cook, Oklahoma Joe's. Peace. Okay, another quick update. So I got my fire back up and running. We're going to establish that coal base again with some hickory, a little bit bigger pieces, and I added some more Cowboy brand lump charcoal. I just spritzed it with some apple juice. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it's looking like. It's at 124 degrees internal temperature. And I'm going to tell you what, that looks so good. And again, I'm using the PorkStar SPG Plus as a base, and then added the chicken pig for additional flavor. And I'll tell you what, that thing is looking good. Still got quite a ways to go. From the first time I put it on, it's been right about 4 hours. So, pulled pork for dinner tonight. Peace. Okay, I'm back. About 6.5 hours into my pork butt smoke on my Oklahoma Joe's Highland. First smoke. Take a look at it. It looks freaking delicious. It's at 155. It's been hanging at 155 for probably about a half an hour, so I'm pretty sure it's stalled. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it and put it back on here. Let it do its thing. Get it to 200. Pull that bad boy apart. Now with the meat stick, I think I may have to pull it out and then wrap it and then put it back in. I'm not sure about that yet. This Oklahoma Joe's Highland is holding the temperatures. It's been in between 210 and 250 for 6 hours. Just fantastic. I love this thing. All right, we'll give you an update later. Perhaps the next time I come back, we'll be pulling this pork and enjoying it. Peace. All right, let's take a look. The Oklahoma Joe's Highland first smoke, January 1st, 2023. Just under 9 hours, I did the whole thing out on the smoker. The little Royal Gourmet smoker that I had, you know, I ended up, once it got the smoke flavor, I ended up transferring it to the oven almost every time. Okay, wow. I can see that, by the way, I don't think I mentioned this, I'm going to save this aluminum foil, that it is bone in, so it smells freaking delicious. So it got up to 203 and we pulled it, and we've been letting it rest for about 40 minutes. Let's take a look at the bone. Yeah. That's pretty clean. Honey, do you want to come up and try a piece? Okay. So for the video, okay, as you can see, it's falling apart. That's incredible.
It looks good.
Aiden, you want that piece? Okay. We got some bark. Tori, is that piece good for you?
Yeah.
Would you like some bark, honey?
I don't care.
Oh.
It smells really good.
I'll give you some bark. So, like I said, 9 hours, and that thing held steady.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. That's right on the money. We're gonna eat this. The Meat Stick X, Music Logic, PorkStar Rubs, SPG Plus, Chicken Pig, and we're gonna give this a try. My mother sent me this from Rochester, New York. It is some barbecue restaurants. The original one was in Syracuse, New York. They opened one in Rochester, right along the Genesee River. I'm gonna give that a try. But yeah, that's our video. Pretty cool. Very, very happy that I could complete this entire cook out there. I mean, granted, it was warm today. It's 71 degrees right now on January 1st. But look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is going to be good. That's what we got. Happy New Year, folks. In case you haven't noticed, my channel name has changed to PoorGuy Outdoor Cooking. So, peace.